Let's see how to create an inquiry, quotation, or order. Note that the process is the same for suppliers, subcontractors, or customers. Click the Add button. Choose the desired vendor from the list. On the General tab, their default details like address, contact, etc. will auto-fill. Need to change? Adjust now or later. New entries are always default to inquiry. Of course, you can change it to quote or order. On Part Info tab, you will see credit limits and balances, which will help you decide to continue or not. Enter reference details and date. Set expiry to keep transactions legally valid. Enter or select part information to add in order. Default HSN, unit, GST details are auto-populate. System will alert if an open PO exists for the same part. Input the quantity of the part you wish to order. Enter tax included or excluded as rate. Calculations are automatic. Need more items? Repeat the steps. You can modify terms as required, apply general terms if available, and remove or adjust them as needed. If all details are correct, click on Save. If everything passed by system check, system will save and generate the order. Isn't everything just great? Reach out to us at brs.softwaretech@outlook.com or visit our website to explore more. Whether you're curious, ready to get started, or just want to chat, we're here to help. We'd love to hear from you.